What an amazing experience! This absolutely exceeded my expectations for the night. Chef Tanya welcomed us into her home as if we were family and shared with us some of the wonderful culture that makes up Panamanian food and drink. Because we were in a group, the cooking experience could be as much or as little as you wanted it to be, but Tanya made sure to include everyone and gave us all the opportunity to participate in the process. She taught us some kitchen tips and tricks and showed us some special ingredients important in Panamanian cooking. The appetizers we made were the best we had all trip, and it was so fun to make everything and socialize. It felt like an intimate dinner party experience and I highly recommend it. In fact, I would 100% do this again if I ever get the opportunity to visit Panama again someday. I love this experience and highly recommend. We got to learn so much from Tanya and connected even more because of her connection to Florida. The kitchen is beautiful and she has recommendations for food in Panama, on the islands, and places to visit in the mall. We will actually try and reproduce the appetizers and a couple of the drinks. We did this on day 2. I recommend planning to visit the Albert Mall before or after because it's a short ride away if you get the cooking class with Tanya. Also, not too far from the metro station, so you can take that to another part of the city for $0.35 per person once you get the $2 card. Thank you so much, Tanya. Tanya was incredibly engaging, an exceptional cook, a skilled teacher, and a warm ambassador of Panamanian culture. During our session, she expertly guided us through the preparation of various traditional foods and drinks, all while sharing the rich history behind the ingredients and cooking techniques. Her passion for teaching and storytelling brought each dish to life. We left the evening not only with full bellies but also with a deeper appreciation and understanding of the Panamanian people and their culinary heritage, thanks to Tanya's insight and hospitality. We had an amazing time. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. Tanya was always there to guide us as we prepared the food and drinks. The food we prepared was flavorful, made from local ingredients, and very fresh. The appetizers we made turned out amazing, and by the end, we were stuffed as if we had a full meal. The drinks were also really good. We are looking forward to preparing them for family and friends when we return home. Tanya was very friendly, we felt welcomed and at home. By the time we left, it felt as if we had known each other for years. I had such an amazing time at Tanya's Panamanian Drinks and Appetizers workshop in Panama City. The food was absolutely delicious, and I even tried ceviche for the first time. It was incredible. The experience was super hands-on, interactive, and a lot of fun. Tanya made everyone feel comfortable and involved throughout the class. I'll definitely be booking again next time I'm in Panama. Highly recommend for anyone looking to experience authentic Panamanian flavors in a fun way. My boyfriend and I did this cooking class earlier this month. Not only were the drinks and food delicious, but we learned so much about Panamanian cooking and culture from Chef Tanya. The drinks paired well with the dishes and she was super knowledgeable and welcoming. Would definitely recommend to any foodie couples or friend groups looking to have a fun, delicious learning experience. We had the best time at a local's home while preparing and trying real Panamanian drinks and appetizers. Catherine welcomed us into a lovely, cozy environment, where we met another couple doing the same experience. We loved it. The drinks were refreshing and the snacks were such a treat. We loved her ceviche. Catherine was especially warm and lovely. Highly recommend.